Microbiology. Biology, study of living organism. Study of smallest living organisms. What are the smallest means? Those organisms which are too small to see with the naked eye, without any aided eye, they are called the microorganisms. Study of such type of microorganisms called microbiology. Here, what organisms come considered as microbes or the microorganisms? Algae, fungi, bacteria, virus, protozoans. These are most of the organisms, they are the unicellular and they are microscopic, that we must observe along with the help of magnifying glasses or the microscopes. So, unable to see with the naked eye, so they are considered as the microorganisms. Study of such organisms, they are called microbiology. But in these 5 types of organisms, some organisms they are bigger in size, macroscopic. For example, algae, some they grow 400 feet height. They are kelps of Phaeophyceae, Rhodophyceae members. And fungi, best example, mushrooms. They are large in size, we can see with the normal eye. Then how can we study under this microbiology? For that, Roger Steiner stated that to define microorganism, not only consider the size and also consider cultural procedure. Culture procedure. Roger Steiner is the scientist stated that to define microorganism, not only consider their size but also consider their culture mechanism or the culture procedure. Where they are present? They are present everywhere. They are ubiquitous, present everywhere, almost all areas. Generally, wherever moisture and nutrient available in those areas, these microorganisms they are present. Acidic regions, acidophils. Alkaline regions, basophils. Highly salt concentration, halophils. High temperature regions like sulfur spring like this, thermophils. So, they are present everywhere inside the living organisms as parasites, symbionts, outside the living organisms as parasites, in water, in soil, in air, in snow, everywhere they are present. So, their occurrence is ubiquitous. They influence the human life in many ways. Microorganism, without microorganism there is no human life. Actually, we said that without microorganism there is no human life. Microorganism, importance of microorganisms, every day so many organisms they die, plants, animals, other organisms they are also die. Imagine if all these bodies, dead bodies that are present on the earth, what happened? The dead, it completely covered kilometers of thickness by these dead bodies freshly. But never happened such thing. These organisms, they decompose that dead bodies. Decomposition, what happens in decomposition? Convert them into minerals, divide that body into minerals. That is called mineralization. These minerals are added to the soil, so fertility of soil increases. Again, these minerals absorbed by the plants, utilized in various metabolic activities, and again synthesize the various food materials. Living organisms, they depend on these food materials. So, cycling of minerals by decomposing organic matter carried out by microorganisms. So, they clean up the environment, they clean up the nature. So, these are the natural scavengers. They are natural scavengers. Without these microorganisms, there is no any sewage treatment. gallons of wastage water, impure water that are produced every day in the cities. Sewage treatment, microorganisms generally utilize. They convert that organic matter into the inorganic matter. Lactic acid bacteria that involved in the conversion of milk into curd. Curd, it contains the partially digested protein, that is the casein. Protein that present in the milk is called casein. In curd, it becomes a para-casein, the partially digested casein protein called para-casein. So, curd is easily digestible than milk. In addition to that one, curd is enriched with vitamin B12. That means lab bacteria enhance the amount of B12 in curd. Besides that, when taken the curd as a diet in the diet, the lab kills the harmful bacteria present in our body. So, besides enhancement of the vitamin B12, also check the pathogenic growth of other bacteria. Microorganisms are employed in the obtaining the minerals from the soil. For example, for obtaining uranium by utilizing microorganisms, it reduces the cost up to 50%. Exploration of the microorganism into space, that is called exomicrobiology. Microorganisms that are employed in agriculture as biofertilizers. Without no need to utilize the chemical fertilizers, they utilize as biofertilizers. So, by that crop yield increases. So, all these are the advantages of these microorganisms. Besides that advantages, they cause various diseases, plants, animals and human beings. Some of the diseases caused by this bacteria mentioned in the bacteriology, in the bacterium and in the same virus also.